If you want to remove objects from photos on the Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we need to go to the gallery. Now over here in gallery, we should be able to scroll down a little bit, and we need to go to the photo that we want to edit. Now we're gonna tap on this pen icon at the bottom of the screen. Now here we should be able to use these 4 circles, and then we have the object eraser. Now let's wait a couple of seconds. And after that, we can select the object that we want to remove. So let's say I'm gonna select this die cast over here. There we go. And now we can tap on erase. Now we need to wait a couple of seconds and we should be able to get our result. There is a chance that something will be left after removing our object. So if that's the case, like in my case, I have this messy shadow over here, I can still select it in here and I should be able to erase that as well. Of course, we can keep going until we are actually satisfied with our results. There we go. And once you are happy with your results, you should be able to tap on a done at the bottom of the screen, and then you can either save the photo or save as a copy so that you can keep the original photo. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.